Don't let your body become a reminder of what you've neglected. If you've skipped squats, push-ups, or lunges, it's time to rethink your workout routine. These exercises are not just optional, they're vital for your strength, posture, and mobility. So, let us know in the comments, which exercise have you been neglecting, and how do you plan to start incorporating it into your routine? We want to hear from you! And if you're serious about rebuilding your strength, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an important tip like this again. And stay tuned for our next video, the routine that rebuilds strength after 40, 50, 60 years old. Coming soon! Trust us, you won't want to miss that one!